Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, my name is cmnt and welcome back to my channel World of Coding. So today I have to study about FLS conditions and also switch condition. So for this let's start today lecture. Okay, for here I'm taking a start again. Include the IOStream library and then using namespace std family and max. Okay, now here I'm tag the one identifier which keep the identity of integer, like I tag here intc and cout for user. Enter the number, okay, and cnc. So now use fcase. What is the fcase syntax? Fcase syntax is a little bit like that: f and then conditions, whatever we give a condition, 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 and then after the condition it's body, or here it's body. Okay, now see this: fc less than 10, fc less than 10, this is one of its condition, and now it's moved toward body. So cout it's less than 10. What? It's less than 10. I'm just putting over here condition fc less than 10. So cout what? Cout less than 10. Execute that body. Now one more thing: else f same condition like this. Else f c less than 15. So execute that body and says cout it's less than 50. Cout it's less than 50. Okay, like see this: if this condition is not true, if this condition is false, so go on this condition, else if c less than 50 and says it is less than 20. But what's happened if these both conditions are not true? So says else cout the upper both condition is not true. Cout the upper both condition is not true. Okay, see how it works. It works like if I give any number which is less than 10, so it says it execute that body and says it's less than 10. If I give a greater than a 10 but a less than greater than a 10 but less than a 50 but less than 15, so it says it is less than 15. Okay, now let's run it. If I over here give 9, so it says it is less than 10. Okay, now run it again. Now if I give greater than a 10 and less than 15, let's suppose over here I give 15, so it says it is less than 15. If I give, what's happened if I give greater than 10 and also greater than 15, let's suppose I give 16, so it says the upper both condition is not true. Okay, the one more thing which we says shorten, which is a shorten condition, shorten if and else condition. Okay, so how we can use it? We use it like that. Like see this: over here I'm taking one string result, and stored its condition over there, and says fc less than 20, question mark means what? Do then do says good morning, execute good morning. Okay, then execute good morning, morning, good morning. But if it is greater than, this means but if it is greater than, so then says good evening, evening, good night. Okay, then says good night, good morning and good night. Okay, now see if I run. Oh wait a second, I didn't see out the result. Now see, enter the number. If I enter less than 20, so it will says good morning. Like I enter 19, so it says good morning. Now if I give greater than 20 number, let's suppose 21, so it says good night. This is called a short-term FLN condition. Okay, now let's go toward the switch cases. Switch cases a little bit like that. Switch here, take switch C, switch C. Okay, what is it? Syntax. First we write a syntax. We have to take over here switch, and then variable or identifier. Like over here, the identifier or a variable is C. Then then the switch body start. In the switch body, we have to make a cases like case 1, and then inside its body, then in the switch, and then again if we take any other switch case, case 2, in the switch any other case, so case 2, then its body again. Okay, and then default, default. If these both conditions are not over here, means we have take two condition. If the user enter 3, so we have to make a one default that that we have only two condition, not more than a two condition. Okay, whatever condition we give, like we use 3 condition, 4 condition, 5 condition, whatever condition. Okay, now case 1 over here, and take case 1. Let's suppose I'm taking over here int a and one more b equal to 5, and cout, enter the number to add with 5, okay, and over here sign in C, and cout a plus b small b. Okay, so how it work? It work like if we enter over here a 4, so what happened? It happened like here 4, and we give the value b is equal to 5, so b is already 5, so 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9, so it is equal like this. Okay, now over here break, this condition is complete. Now in a case 2, its body cout I am case 2, simply cout I am case 2, and break. Okay, now let's run it. I'm just taking over here case 1, so it says enter the number to add with 5. It is execute the case 1. Okay, over here I give 3, so 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, now over here run it again, and if I print 2, so it says I am case 2, means you are in a case 2. Now the case 2 body is execute. What happened if I remove this break? Now let's see. Here I'm taking a case 1. It says enter the number to add with 5. I've given here over here 4, so it says 9, and automatically execute case 2. It's run case 2 because we don't have a break. That's why I use a break over there. Okay. One more thing, default. What is default? Cout no more case. Okay, what is default? See there, I'm taking over here only 2 cases. Okay, we type more than 2 cases or whatever we want, 2 cases according to our program, according to our need. Okay, so if I take I take only over here 2 cases, but if the user put 3, 4, whatever, so means we have 2 cases. If the user want to execute 3 cases, we don't have any 3 cases, so in the default it says no more cases. If the whatever in the more than 2, a user want to execute more than 2 cases, and we have only 2 cases, So when the user print any 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, so the default condition will be executed, the default body will be executed, and it will says to the user that we have no more cases. Like, see, if I run it, if we have only 2 cases, here I print 3, so it says no more cases. Okay, if I print 10, then in a default condition will be executed and it says no more cases. Okay, so this video is about if and else conditions and a shortened condition of if and else and switch cases. So make sure if you like my work, so please subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I will show you how to make this digital clock in if and else condition in C++. So make sure subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, so please like it and comment. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.